Now we need to use hand to move this to make it turn around to the welding head to here. Then we use hand to make it down. Okay, make it down to see when it's down to see if it's in the right position. Now we can see it's in the right position. Sometimes if it's not in the right position, maybe we need to move this angle to up or down by release the screw to up and down, or sometimes release the screw here and here to back forwards, or move to move backwards to make it to welding heads to the right position. Okay, now let's try. After we fix the position, we fasten the screw here. Okay, this is the first step to adjust the position of two points. Okay, two welding points. Now we show you how to change the angles. 好，行，我们现在怎么转？你那边也可以操作是吧 ？Okay, firstly you see here English menu here. There are two parameters. 密码多少？
没有，这数字。
For example, here we in our computer system is 330 for the 2 points. Okay, but when we move, 我们是手动还是自动？自动。When we use automatic state, suppose it's not in the right angle, then we need to adjust the parameters here. For example, the original parameters is 300, but if the angle is not okay, then we change another. Now we change it to 300 to 330. And the left point is the left parameters, and the right points is for the right parameters.
The first one.